39. The companies. This is a Makki Surah. It was revealed most probably sometimes before the Hijrah of Abyssinia. It has 75 verses in 8 sections. The surah talks about the true religion. It is to serve Allah sincerity and to avoid shirk. Tawhid brings the blessings of Allah, while shirk has terrible consequences. The believers are told not to despair and lose heart. If it is difficult for them to practice their religion in one place, they can migrate from that land. The unbelievers are told that they can do whatever they wish, but they cannot turn the believers away from the path of faith. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. To Allah belongs the pure and sincere religion. The principle of Tawhid and its benefits, the evil of Shirk and its consequences. Number 2. The reward of those who are steadfast in their faith. Number 3. The perfect guidance of the Qur'an. It is straight without any crookedness. Number 4. Allah is sufficient for the Prophet. The rejectors will be abased. Number 5. The futility of shirk and its evil consequences. Number 6. Allah's mercy is available for all. Number 7. Ye ignorant people, do you invite me to worship someone other than Allah? The judgment of Allah. Number 8. The reward of believers and the punishment of the unbelievers.